Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had created a React application along with Hello World message. So in today's tutorial, we will be checking about the folder structure of React application in detail. So what is the folder structure of React? Let's move ahead and check it out. This I had opened my React project in Visual Code. As you guys see, like this is my Hello World project that I had created in my last tutorial. So there are main three folders. First you can see node modules, public, source. Then there are three different files. Let's go ahead and start from gitignore. Gitignore is the file that will helps you to push the data in Git, and it will the whatever the folders are mentioned in this file, that while pushing the data to GitHub will be ignored. Like for example, this file is telling your Git command to not push node modules in Git folder. In Git folder, wherever you want to push the data. So in general, you can say git ignore file will helps you to ignore some folders or some files to go to the GitHub or to be shared with other developers or server. After that, we can see like there is package.lock.json file. So this is the file that will contain the detail of installed packages, details of installed packages, like it will be created automatically from package.json file. In case you are using npm, you will have package-lock.json file. In case you are using yarn package manager, that time you will have yarn-lock.json file. Then after that there is package.json file. In this one, as you guys see, we have all the detail of our project. Like you can say that the dependencies that are installed in our projects are available here. Like we are using React 18.2.0. We have React DOMs 18.2.0. We have React scripts. We have Web Vitals. Then in scripts, we have some pre-settings available for React already. Start npm start command will help us to start our React project. Npm build command will help us to build our project. The test command is used to do the test and all that stuff. Then we have some ESLint configuration, then browser list configuration. So this is the detail for package.json file. So I will see that then after that there is one README file available. This is for the GitHub again, like it's very normal, available everywhere in all the projects. Those are connected with GitHub. Then let's talk about these three folders. First folder we have available is node modules folder. So node modules folder is the folder where all the installed packages will be available. Like whatever the package you will install, it will appear here in the node modules folder. So this node module folder is responsible for the dependencies or packages, you can say. After that, we have another folder called public. Public, we have mostly the static data. The images will be there in this folder. Like as you guys see, like there is favicon icon. Like this is the icon for the web pages. On top we are using, this is here. Then after that there is index.html file. So let's focus on this. This is very important. Like React is working on single page web application. Whenever you guys do make any application, that is made it as a single web page. React will change the inner components only, like inside components will be changed only. So this will be the only page that whole React application will serve. Like there is head, it will always be same. Whatever you will write here, from here you can change the title of your ad. Any extra things you want to add in your head, you will add here, head tag. The body tag will always remain the same, and this root is the main point for the React application. As you guys see, like the div having id root is the one where all your application will be spawned. As we told you, like React is a declarative paradigm. So what we are doing, we are telling to React, go ahead and make this UI. React is building the UI by itself. So React, what it will do, it will always take this div and make your UI inside this div. The whole web application will come inside the div. So this is very important. Just keep it in mind. We will be coming up with the same root div again. Let's move ahead, and you can see like there is logo.192.png, one static logo available. This is the big pixel logo 512 manifest.json file. It's a file available in public as well. So let's not talk about this right now. Let's keep it on hold because it's not for beginners. Let's go on and check the source folder. In the source folder we have couple of files. Let's start from index.js. This will be the entry point for React project. Like all your React project will be starting from here. Like this is the starting point. Here you are seeing like what you are doing is you are creating your root. Root means from where you are creating your root, you are getting the element by ID, the element whose ID is root. So which element ID is root? As I told you few minutes back, there is one div having id root, so you are getting that div, and after that you are spawning the full application inside that div in strict modes. So what is the app is actually app.js file, where we last time we had changed this hello world text. The whole app is this function. We are dealing with the application from this component, from this function component we will be dealing our whole application. So we can import, export, and we can make headers, footers, all the components will come inside this app.js component. As you guys can see, like with the app.js, there is one app.css folder as well. So app.css file as well. It will be like helping you to create any kind of CSS. Then there is one app.test.js that will make one basics unit testing for your React application. It's already declared there. Then with index.js file, you will have an index.css file also that will apply styling to your body tags. Then you have logo.svg. This is svg form of your in logo that is appearing on the main. You can say what we when we had run the project, there is one logo appearing that is moving in circular form. Reports.vital, let's just neglect it. It's not for the beginners. Then setup.test.js, it's also not for the beginners. We will talk about reports web setup and manifest later on in the coming videos when we will have enough knowledge to understand the React.js. So that's it for the folder structure for today's tutorial. So in the coming tutorial, we will be talking about components. What are the components? Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.